Hey guys, loud guys. Today we are going to watch funny, scary animal encounters. So let's get into the
video.
Oh! Oh!
What a stunt!
Oi! Car is nothing. Oh no! What about the passengers? Oh no! Oh my god! And she's like, how am I not able to lift it?
Yeah.
Oi!
Oh my god. What are these?
Eve!
Eels.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! A duck!
Oh my god.
Duck stole it! Oh, bear! Oh!
Oh, he's going to jump on the car.
Oh!
Alfanta.
Oh!
Oh my god.
The tourist was
Swings.
unharmed. How can that be? Oh no 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 no! Oh thank God! Oh that shark!
It's coming.
Shark is there! Get out! Shark is there! Get out!
He sees it. Look at it. Oh my God.
He's so chill.
And the shark did not bite him. He was like, it came close. Never go behind a horse. They will always kick you. They'll kick you. Donkey also. And the bird is also annoying him.
Fun.
Oi, there's a snake.
Tree.
Oh.
Christ Almighty. Jesus Christ.
I think we got a crawfish.
Crawfish.
Be careful.
They got a crocodile. Oh, alligator.
Oh my
He's
god.
running. He just saw the teeth and he's like, what the hell?
Oh my, it's going to bite.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
In a moment, alligator is like, how can you take my food? How dare you touch me? Oh, oh. Something is there. What was there? Oh, snake.
Oh, the seed. Oh my god.
Oh, he wanted to get in.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh! No!
Oh my god.
So close.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You gotta be careful here.
What he got? What did he get? Oh, he got an alligator. Oh no. Get out, get out, get out.
Oh my god.
Oh, he is coming. Oh! Not a right time to fall.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
He's so calm.
Can jump
Get back.
at any
Get
time.
back? It is not.
It's running.
It's like, get back. And he's like, ah.
How dare
I'll
you
listen
talk
to you.
me like that?
Oh, oh, it will turn it over.
Oh my god.
Now you let play the lines. It's important to never show fear.
He was terrified. Oh, in the swimming pool. Oh no, the girl. Oh man, come on, take her out also. Oh, oh no. Oh my god.
It was scary.
Swimming pool is a safe space. Oh no, 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 no. Oh.
Good.
I think that was a mom. She thought that they're going to hurt her kids. Oh no, she'll fall. She'll fall.
They'll fall. Oh.
Oh no.
There will be some best friend.
big stick or something.
Oh, now I'm terrified.
Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is.
Oh, it is an alligator. Heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, see.
Oh.
A stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick at all. Holy sh! Holy sh! Oh my lord, holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, what? Oh, bear! A bear!
Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, the bear tripped on the camera.
Oh. Octopus eating crab.
Oh. And octopus is so small.
Yeah. No. Octopus is huge. It's black one.
But it is still small. What we have seen octopus is big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He just took the
I'm not
crab.
gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Oh.
I promise I'm not
What's
gonna
that?
bug you.
They understand
I'm
English.
not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
What's that?
I'm going away.
It's
I'm going away.
cheetah.
No, sorry.
I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Oh, giraffe.
Oh my god, it is so scary. Outside your house there is an alligator.
Yeah.
I would never step out of the
I
house.
was
On the trail back to the camp. I'm walking on the trail
No.
and mom and 2 cubs. So I'm continually to walk backwards.
And mom is always scary.
Yeah.
Because
The mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
did he eat that bird?
Oh my god.
No, the bird is alive.
Oh, that's alive.
The bird took his food.
Oh.
Oh, in the nose.
Oh. How's this possible? Is my nose is okay?
You. Go.
Oh, it's
He's
coming.
like, why are you swearing at me?
It's coming.
No.
Oh.
Get the away. Go away. Go away.
Don't throw any
Oh.
straw.
Oh.
my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
You, dude.
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 Yeah, get the away.
You know, I have just seen people run from even dogs, and you Americans are crazy.
Yeah.
How you just stand in front of even proper cheetahs, and you're like, "Oh, I'm not going to bug you. I'm not going to bug you. I'm going away." And you're talking to
Americans
him.
just think that they can control them, they can just calm them, and they are like so chill. They are just okay, dude, okay. And then in the last video, it was like, "Fuck you, dude."
Yeah.
Like kind of they know each other, and that they have like a serious fight between them.
Yes, and they are wild animals. They can do anything, but how people are like so like into it, and like even alligators, like he was still like seeing it and like, oh my god, what have I got? And that alligator that came
Yeah.
up, it was just seeing
Yeah,
him
and
like
they were just
talking,
like,
huh?
yeah, they were just talking, and it was like, okay,
Go back.
and then just come. Oh my god.
what a
Very
video
scary.
this was. How did you guys find it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.